As I mentioned in the last video, the profit leverage effect has a major impact in our purchasing. And this is one of the many tools that we'll learn throughout this course that can help you become a better purchasing professional. So what is it? Simply, it's the amount of extra sales dollars needed to save $1. It's how much we're going to have to actually sell more of to get the same impact of $1 saved by purchasing cost cutting. So basically, a dollar saved by purchasing is then a dollar directly to operating profit, a 1 for 1. An additional dollar increased by sales is not a 1 by 1 or 1 to 1. So let's actually see what it would be. So we have here our income statement and balance sheet. So we're only going to look at the income statement here. So we have sales of $100 million and cost of goods sold. So $68,750,000, which gives us our gross profit. And then logistics, sales and administrative, and then our total operating profit, which is the number we're going to be working with. So for every sale, we have to account for the cost and make that product and everything associated with it. However, how much do we have to sell to make that profit? So here, we sell 100 million, we're going to make $8 million before interest and taxes. So we make it simple. 8 million, which represented by the $8, divided by 100 million is 8%. So remember, this is sales. So if we wanted to raise $1 and figure out if we're only going to increase it by 8%, how many sales dollars do we need to increase up here, the sales dollars, to get $1 in operating profit? Well, here, that $1 divided by 8% is $12.50. So sales would have to go up by $12.50 to get $1 in operating profit. However, cost of goods sold, which is where purchasing really has an impact, we save $1 here, it directly translates down to here. So $1 to $1 instead of $12.50 to $1. That's a pretty amazing effect, isn't it? How powerful the supply chain is, especially in purchasing. Think of how this can be applied to other areas. And how could this impact your own life? How could you do that? Well, we're going to start talking about the strategic profit model, which is where we're going to start using these other side of the balance sheet here. And then we can move on and show you how much impact you really can have within the bottom line of a company. So let's move on to that.